What up, guys? Back. I suck at this. I need a haircut. Can we get haircuts yet or what? Shit. Anyways, what's up, guys? Back here. Here's my V. You know, I think you just saw this in the video. Kind of broke it. Yeah, I'll talk about that in a second. But I want to talk about, well, I missed the shift. That's kind of what happened. And I'm going to show, like, I put these paddles on, like, because I don't miss the shift again. Yeah, you'll see in the video. But anyways, so. But since I drive an auto, I can wear flip-flops, right? So I'm a bit extra and I got, well, you'll see. Oh yeah, some Gucci slides. I don't know what these things are called, something like that. So now I can gap fools with my Gucci's. Yeah, there's the nitrous over there. Still gotta put that in, but oh, and the E85. So that's coming soon. Back to the car. So I will show you. Anything here? What? Nothing. It's still there. But what you heard is I smacked the limiter on a run. It was about 140. Blew out the header gasket on the side. My boy Chris, K Customs, hooked it up. Had the car in and out within a day while I work. Because I mean, if I do it, it would still be broken. Because I am slow and lazy. So there's that. Shout out to TJ for hooking up with the tow. Because without him, probably would have been stranded or tried to putt it home. That's for sure. Of course, shout out to Will and Isaac for hanging out with me while we waited for to tow this piece of crap. I'm just kidding. I actually like this car, but you know how it is. So, thanks, guys. It's nice to have good friends in the car world. So, always appreciate the help. So, hopefully, the paddles that I have over there will go on easily in the car with a carbon fiber steering wheel that I installed, and I will talk about in another video how I installed that, which is pretty dope. Won that in a raffle, waffle, whatever you're gonna call it. But I'm trying to get rid of these crappy buttons back here because these things suck. You can see them, but they're pretty crappy. So hopefully swap that for paddles and be a little bit better. Got the paddles on. Show you. Oh yeah, red paddles, match steering wheel. I don't know if you can kind of see. Dope. So I don't, I can see the red. Maybe not miss any more shifts. I missed the shift because I'm just stupid. So that's what it is. So, but if you want to know how to put the steering wheel on, first step is undo the battery, which is going to be in the trunk. Right over here. You undo this thing. Well, you still use that. And undo the battery so that way like airbag doesn't pop off. Just a safety thing. Then to get the centerpiece off, you want to start with the centerpiece right there. Here, I can set the light. You want to get this off first, meaning there are little two holes on the side of the, I don't know if you can see, right there, the little hole. You gotta put like a little pin dowel in it, there's one on the other side. Kind of just push in, pop out this middle piece, unplug the airbag, pop off the steering wheel, and then all these buttons like this, the factory buttons and stuff still work. Airbag works. It's the carbon fiber steering wheel. It's the old steering wheel. So you can tell like what's bare. Then I have like the little other plastics that go with it. This is the stock steering wheel that I had. But that's about it. When it comes to installing the steering wheel, pretty easy. Probably took us like half hour. The airbag clips and the airbag were probably the worst part. But once you get to the steering wheel bolt to take off, it is like it's a Torx 45 or 50. So you're gonna need that. And then just a screwdriver, I think it was. Pretty much it, yeah. But I'll mention that these stupid stock OEM ones right here actually give me way more trouble than needed. It was kind of like a pain. So next you'll see this car with spray on it and have some nitrous. It's gonna have a lid plate that goes underneath the lid. Maybe getting some other goodies. We'll see. You like that hole because it was hitting. Because around the car before did not get a shaved lid. So it's just been one thing after another, this freaking thing. But hopefully make some power soon. Goal, if anybody even watches this, is gonna be about 1,000. So see who ends up watching this without me telling them, and then see if they bring it up. I don't call out people without plans. Now the question is the plan actually gonna work? That is the great question. So, all right, y'all, well, thank you, and we will hopefully see this car out here soon, racing again. I mean, it runs now, but our weather just is crap, so, and I'm not any more power, because it never runs, so. All right, y'all, peace.